welcome to the fifth video in our attribution series titled Content Attribution in Usermaven. If you've ever wondered which pages on your website are really driving conversions, then you're in for a treat. Let's start with the basics. Content attribution is about understanding how different pages on your website contribute to your conversions. It's like having a superpower that lets you see the entire customer journey at a glance. So first things first, you will want to select your conversion goal from over here. We have a few listed. We've selected signed up in this case. Then you have your attribution models. We have first touch, last touch, linear, U-shaped, and time decay. We have selected first touch in this case. Then you have the look back window. This is the time frame prior to a conversion during which touch points are credited for influencing the conversion. Let's select last 60 days in this case. Then you have your conversion period. Now this is the date range that you select to analyze your conversions. Now feast your eyes on the star of the show. This is the content performance by attribution models graph. This will show you exactly how different pages contribute to your conversions. In our case, we have selected first touch point, which gives all the credit to the first page a user visits before converting. Check out these purple bars over here. The longer the bar, the more conversions that page is responsible for. We can see that the web analytics page and the Usermaven homepage are the heavy hitters over here. But wait, there's more. Scroll down and you will find a treasure trove of data in the form of a detailed table. So let's break it down. We first of all have the pages. This shows you the exact URL of the page of your website. Then we have visitors. These are the number of unique visitors. Then we have influenced conversions. This is the total number of conversions each page played a part in, regardless of where it fell in the user journey. Then we have value, the monetary value of those influenced conversions. Then the next three rows are based on the conversion model that you have selected. Now, since we have first touch point selected over here, so these are going to be in accordance to this attribution model. Now, first touch conversions, the number of conversions where this page was the first point of contact. Then we have conversion rate. This conversion tells you how effective each page is at converting visitors. And then we have conversion value, the monetary value of those first touch conversions. Moreover, you also have the option to filter your pages with specific keywords. For example, if I click right here and enter the word funnel, all the URLs with this particular word will be listed over here. Similarly, you can also view these numbers in different orders by clicking on these buttons right here. And this is all for content attribution for now. I hope this was of great help to you guys. Do feel free to reach out in case you need help. See you in the next video. Happy tracking.